For this video, I'm going to be using my desktop computer and the mobile Spotify app. The first step is to open up the Spotify app on mobile. After doing so, choose whichever track you want to have played on the two devices. Here, I'm going to be using this song. Click on the play button, and after you do so, go to the desktop app as I'm showing you on screen, and click on devices linked. You will see that Spotify will tell you that it's being played on another device. All you have to do is click on play on this computer. After doing so, you will be able to listen to the Spotify track on your desktop computer while also the song remains unpaused on mobile, which means it's playing on two devices at the same time. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Spotify on different devices at the same time.